In this video, I will share with you the top 5 air fryer in 2024. Number 1. Wanmi 5L Spray Type Visible Air Fryer. Key features: 5L capacity, spray type oil application, a transparent window for monitoring cooking, and multifunction capabilities, baking, roasting, etc. Potential drawbacks: spray type oil applications might require additional oil usage compared to traditional air fryers. Recommendation: consider this option if you prioritize a multifunctional appliance with a visible cooking chamber and are comfortable with using oil for a specific taste or texture. Research user reviews to understand the effectiveness of the spray function. Number 2. IKIDE 3.5L Smart Electric Air Fryer. Key features: 3.5L capacity, smart features, potentially app connectivity or voice control, LED touchscreen, large capacity for a single person or small household. Potential drawbacks: limited information available. Research thoroughly to understand the specific smart features and their compatibility. Recommendation: this could be a good choice for those seeking a tech-integrated air fryer with a user-friendly interface. However, in-depth research is crucial due to the lack of readily available details. Number 3. 2023 New Visual Air Fryer. Key features: limited information available. Mentions visual functionality, potentially similar to Wanmi's transparent window. Recommendation: due to the scarce information, it's difficult to recommend this specific model. Look for detailed reviews or specifications before considering this option. Number 4. New Air Fryer Double Warehouse 9L Capacity. Key features: large 9L capacity, potentially double baskets for simultaneous cooking, multifunctionality. Potential drawbacks: large sizes might not be suitable for small kitchens. Recommendation: this could be a good choice for larger families or those who frequently cook in large batches. Investigate the efficiency of the double basket design and ensure it aligns with your cooking needs. Number 5. WAF LZ1217B Air Fryer. Key features: large 12L capacity, multifunction capabilities, baking, frying, etc. Potential drawbacks: large size might be cumbersome for limited counter space. Recommendation: similar to the previous model, this caters to larger families or frequent bulk cooking. Consider the footprint of this appliance in your kitchen layout.